Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Ranger headliner. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal kit and a Phillips head screwdriver. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before starting any electrical work. Next, carefully remove any interior components that are directly attached to the headliner, such as overhead consoles or light fixtures. Now, let's move on to detaching the surrounding trim. Gently pry off the A, B, and C pillar trim panels using your trim removal tools to avoid damage. Next, disconnect the sun visors, grab handles, and any dome lights or other accessories. Make sure all wiring harnesses are completely unclipped from the headliner itself, allowing it to move freely. With all the attachments removed, it's time to lower the headliner. Gently pull down the edges of the headliner from the roof, working your way around the perimeter. Carefully guide the entire headliner panel through one of the door openings. Take your time during this step to avoid bending or creasing the headliner material, which can cause permanent damage. Once the headliner is out, take a moment to inspect the roof surface for any remaining clips, adhesive residue, or debris. Cleaning this area thoroughly will ensure a smooth installation if you're putting in a new headliner. Remember, patience is key for a successful removal. For more great content and to find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals, be sure to check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.